Okay, guys. So what we're doing, my name is Marc Augustine. I could go through whole spiel. If you're new to the channel, I know dropshipping, but I have more experience in marketplace dropshipping than most people on earth. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. You can check out my old videos and see the content, but I just want to get to the point. So what's the deal? So what we're gonna talk about, me and ChatGPT are gonna, and some other things, are gonna give you guys an update on eBay dropshipping. So you're doing on eBay dropshipping 2024. So I'm not gonna do like other YouTubers and create a script and all the nonsense, but I'm gonna make the video. What did ChatGPT say about this? eBay dropshipping, as of my last update, remained a popular business model. So since January 2022 has been a popular business model. So ChatGPT doesn't know nothing about 2024. So this is kind of cool. Anyway, so Sammy, the CEO and founder, and one of the founders of Ecom Sniper, did a call today with an Ecom Sniper user. And the purpose, and be patient with me, guys. The purpose of the call was to plan out how to make 1 million a year with eBay dropshipping. I don't know about all this stuff that ChatGPT is saying. If you want, I can share that with you. But that's what happened today. And what happened today was Sammy and Chike. Chike is a guy who owns the eBay account that we showed in last videos I did a couple of months ago about eBay dropshipping. And the account is doing anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 a month of profit. So the theory is if you could get to 30 accounts and $3,000 a month, that's $1 million or something like that. You could do the math. So the theory that Sam and everyone in Ecom Sniper is that with 30 accounts, you can make $1 million. And tomorrow, I'm gonna do an interview with Chike about why he's taking what he invested in to have these 30 accounts go. And we're not gonna go into 100% detail because there's a lot of like black hat stuff, but I'm gonna do an interview with him and have him on the channel so he could share why he's doing it and what we expect and so on. So even if we fail, we will still make a couple $100,000 from the whole experiment. And just to give you guys an update on, like, I'm not, let me see, where's Ecom Sniper? So Ecom Sniper, 100 members in here. We talk about stuff. There's a link to one of Sammy's videos. I'll put a link to that video on this video. But I'm just bored of eBay dropshipping. I'll explain why. And I'm sharing like the real with you, but I'm still doing it because it makes money. But when you did eBay dropshipping back in the day, like 5-10 years ago, you can make $10,000 a month with one account. But the truth is, you can make $10,000 a month if you put in the work of running 5 accounts, because you're only making $2,000 or $3,000 per account. So anyway, so that's the deal. Some of the guys in Ecom Sniper talking about how much money they're making, so on. If you guys want an update and think this is interesting, let me know. But yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Just giving you guys a weird update. Please, how do I stop this thing?